Video standards are internationally agreed set of technical parameters that all video should follow. Frame rates differ in the UK and the US because of electrical frequency and power supply. For example, the power supply in the US is 60 Hz, whereas in the UK it is 50 Hz. This allows the standard frame rate in the US to be higher, to 30 frames per second, compared to UK standards of 26 frames per second. The display aspect ratio defines the shape that depends on the dimension of the width and height of motion. It is the amount of pixels that display of an image or screen. To find the aspect ratio of a certain measurement, we can divide the ratio. For example, we can divide 16 by 9, which equals 1.77 recurring. This can be then simplified to 1.78, then can be multiplied by the given measurement to find out the missing height or width. We can do a pixel count by multiplying the height and width. For example, we can divide 4 by 3 to get 1.33. We can then use that to find a measurement of another side by dividing the given measurement, such as 640 pixels. We can then find the other side by dividing 640 by 1.33 to get 481.2, which can then be rounded to 480. The common aspect ratio for HD video is 16 by 9, whereas for SD it is 4 by 3. PAL stands for Phase Alternation Line 576i, which is the EU standard for SD in 4 by 3. NTSC stands for National Television System Committee, which is the UK standard for SD at 480i in 4 by 3. HD stands for High Definition and is available in various formats such as 720p, 1080p and 1080i. HD standard vary depending on the use. For example, if you're planning on playing HD games on a PlayStation 4, which supports 1080p Full HD, or want to stream the highest quality films on Netflix, it is not recommended to use a 720p television as it would lower the standards of the quality. There are two types of techniques used to handle frame rate: interlaced and progressive. Interlaced video is a technique for doubling the perceived frame rate of a video displayed without consuming extra bandwidth. For example, at 25 frames per second interlaced video, the video is updated to 50 half frames per second, that is 50i. This technique is good for all televisions with cathode ray tube, as they are adapted to this method. However, this isn't good for progressive technology such as LCD monitors, as it causes combing. It also makes things appear more video rather than filmistic. However, this can be combated by deinterlacing the video, which blends the odd and even feels of an interlaced video. This helps get rid of combing and enables interlaced footage to be used on computer monitors. All films are progressive, one photo after another. This method displays the entire frame at once. 1080p is the best available home format.